Hello mga Besh! This is your friendly neighborhood Beshie. Kedge to the rescue na naman. Today guys, I'll be teaching you how to recreate a very brown eye. Soft lang siya with a very nude lip. So let us stay tuned and proceed sa video. Ha! Ganon! Bake na si Ox. So I'm gonna be first using my creamy eyeliner. I'll be applying it near my lash line. Just to make sure na black talaga siya. So, apply it guys. So, I don't use mascara mga besh kay magkakalat-kalat siya sa ubo. So, I just use creamy eyeliner just as the base to put my liquid line. So, I'll be applying a little bit as well in the outer tear ducts. Konti lang siya mga besh para lang magka-shape yung ating eyes. Para magka-chinita naman sa dita. Diba? So, I'm gonna get my liquid liner and shake it para naman magka-mix ang tint na itim. Ang ata sa pusit. So, we're gonna be creating a cat's eye. So, just stop there. Small lang siya, Besh. Yeah, go inward. Meet me to the finish line yan. Fill in and just fill in the remaining blank spaces. Pack na pack. Ayun, rin yung galingon, guys. Naaysa yun. Just fill in, mga besh. We're done. So, next step, we will be doing our eyeshadow. So, I'm gonna be putting the contour kanina in my contours of my eyelids. So, I'll be blending it out lang. Just blend, just to make sure na ating transition shade para naman magka-warm yung lids at ang ating mga eyes, mga besh. So there we go, just blend. Opa! So next step, I'll be adding a darker brown color. So, supposedly parang siya sa brows, mga besh, pero ako rin siya gamitin sa ako ang eyeshadow. I'll be using a soft brown nga naa sa dual brow powder. I'll be adding it just outside sa ako ang contours sa akong mata and blending it inward para lang magka-define ang ating eyes. You don't neglect the other eye, mga besh. Makabang ka, besh. Ang usa is so defined, the other one is so blank space. So there we go. Just add. Caring nyo yan. Now let's proceed to our brows. So I'll just be using a brow pencil. And I'll be starting at the end to make the edge. Pack. Maulang yapon siya, meet me to the finish line. So, usually guys, I just use this technique para lang mag-buff out ang ako ang brows. Kaya pagka naman siya daan. So, there. Kung asa na mo gusto, napita, kung asa na mo happy, just make sure na to apply more para lang maklaro yung definition. Now, next step, I'll be using a spoolie to blend out everything. Just blend. Make sure to blend outwards, Now, I'll be using a brow gel so that maset ang ako ang brows, mga besh. So, you need to move upwards para lang magka-shape ang inyong inner brow padung sa gawa. Like so. Okay. So, just get a sponge. So, get your powders and just apply it in your brow bone. Just to make sure na na-carve out ang inyong form sa inyong brows. Get a blending brush and blend it out, mga besh. Pack. If you need more, you can apply and still blend out. Pack! Kumusta ang avatar? Show pa na!
Besh, let's continue with our fast beating. I'm so big na talaga. I can feel the 350 degrees. So let's continue.
So mga besh, ako lang ipang dust off ang ato ang bake gani ha. So I'm just gonna be blending everything na. So mo ni ganyan katong first video, katong baking. So So I'll just be blending everything for a seamless and airbrushed ang iyahang effect. O, back. Blend to the highest level, mga besh. You can do this. Para sa ekonomiya ng Pilipinas. Raban! Okay, now let's proceed to the next step. So I'll be using a fan brush and getting some highlight. So igamit na kayo siya, mga besh. So I'll just be getting this very pink highlight, mga besh. And I'll be applying it in my cheek. Just to make sure nga di ka matanaw na mura taog mapa sa Pilipinas. Dahagit naglipak-lipak. So I'll just be highlighting, mga besh, para natay shimmering, splendid. Mura tagda sa Aladdin. And the other side as well. So just make sure that both sides are even. So if you look to the side lang, mga besh, mura siya na ay glistening effects na siya shine. O, pop. Mura siya makadagit sa diskuhan. Watch out, mga boys! Now get some white highlight and apply it sa inyong Cupid's bow. Just to make sure nga fuller tanaw yung lips. And apply sa inyong bridge sa inyong nose. So I don't contour, mga besh. I just use highlight. Okay. So let's proceed now to the next step. So I'm just blending everything out. Oh, just everything is seamless and airbrushed effect. Okay. Now I'm gonna be using a very nude lip. So we're gonna siya gamay pink hue, mga besh. So just apply from outer to inner. Galing sa labas patungo sa loob. Ganon. And apply sa ilalim ng baba rin. Just make sure na it's within the contours of your lips. Now let's proceed to our next step, mga besh. So I'm gonna be using the brown eyeliner, and I'm gonna be contouring, or how they say, ombre, my lips, just the outer part lang going inside. Para lang mag-shape yung lips natin, mga besh. Para di siya ingon nga boring. So just apply just simple amount lang, mga besh. Just to make sure nga ma-define ang inyong lips. Nga na siya darker brown. And to top everything off, mga besh, I'll be using a very, very, very shining, shimmering, splendid highlight. So ang color niya is gold. I'll be applying gold sa center lang sa lips para lang magka-shining, shimmering, splendid. And there you have it, mga besh. Ganon.
So this is the final look, mga besh. Hope nag-enjoy mo sa video. Hope na-learn sa mga new things, mga new techniques. And by the way, disclaimer na siya, mga besh, ha? I'm not a professional makeup artist, but I am a freelance makeup artist. So I have been doing this for over a year na siya. And I am self-taught. I only watch videos as well from YouTubers, which is such a good thing right now. We can learn without assistance sa kanang personal video. We can just watch them online. So this is how I do my makeup, the baking, the eyes, the eyebrow, and everything. So hope you guys enjoyed the video and can't wait to see you.